mode. Ano ini? The goal of coping is to have a sense of unity, meaning the purposefulness in the universe, and a sense of identity integrity. These include body, image, and self ideas. In short, guys, how you see yourself, your identity, your confidence, emotions, right? Sa self-concept na. Right? Concept mo sa imo nga self. So, for example, ang teenager nga may acne may feel what? Feel insecure. So ano brown na ni nurse? The nurse will be the support system. Anong brown niya? I-support niya ang self-esteem ni patient. Alright? Tama na. Role function mode. Ano niya, sir? Ang role function mode. This focuses on the primary, secondary, and tertiary roles that a person occupies in society and knowing where they stand as a member of society. In short, the roles you play in life. It might be ano kasubong, student ka, bata, worker, utod. Alright, that's your role. Okay? Role function mode. So example, ano niyo bro niya? A dad, okay, for example, ang tatay, nabali iya tiil, nga hindi siya kaulag, hindi na siya kaubra. Alright? Ano brown? Si nurse, mabulig siya adapt sa temporary nga role change anay. Alright? Si nurse, ang mabulig sa tatay adapt sa temporary nga role change anay. Kaya hindi siya kaubra. Okay? Next, interdependence. Ano niyang interdependence, sir? This mode focuses on attaining relational integrity through the giving and receiving of love, respect, and value. This is achieved with effective communications and relations. So, for example, sa mga family, sa friends, sa community who give love and help. Alright? At adaptation, read nyo lang ni guys, very self-explanatory. Theory assertions, Roy's model views the person as an adaptive system with coping processes. Ginamba ko na gina, nga ang gabilib, kang nagapati si Roy, nga ang mga tao, okay, views as the person as an adaptive system with coping processes. Okay? Okay? Okay. Alright, the environment is viewed as all conditions, circumstances, and influences. Ang environment na. The environment is what? Conditions, circumstances, influences surrounding, and affecting the development and behavior of the person. Mm. Nursing is the science. Ano bra na ang nursing ang gabulig sa pasyente or kita as nurses nagabulig sa pasyente nga expands what? Adaptive abilities para dasig sila mag-adapt and enhances person and environment transformation. Enhances person and environment transformation. Very good. Next. Ay, salamat. Dorothea. Si Dorothy Johnson na kita. Dorothy Johnson. Dorothy Johnson. Dorothy Johnson. Ano yun siya? Si Dorothy Johnson. Alright? Nagambal siya. The nursing is an external force that acts to preserve the organization of the patient's behavior by means of imposing regulatory mechanisms or by providing resources while the patient is under stress. Alright, ano ni siya? Ang behavioral systems model. Behavioral systems model. Ano ni? In short, guys, ang ni Johnson, a person is like a behavioral system with many subsystems. Alright, damo-damo siya subsystem. So, if one part gets out of balance, ginamba ko na kanina, kung ang isa lang ka-part, hindi siya mag-balance, guys, bangod sa stress, bangod sa sakit, bangod sa problems, the whole person is affected. Alright? So ano bro, ni nurse? Nurse or nurses or nursing helps bring balance back so the person can be healthy. Alright? The seven behavioral system. Ari siya. Alright? Theoretical sources, anay, dasing lang man. Ayan na yun. She identified the two areas that nursing care should be based in order to return the client to state of equilibrium. Ano gini equilibrium? Balance. Equilibrium is balance. Para magbalik sa balance or state of equilibrium, reduce stressful stimuli. Reduce stressful stimuli. And of course, support natural and adaptive process. Balik gyapon kay sister, no? Adaptive. Oh, bigla, amo na yung nursing, nga balik-balik na na. Liwat-liwat man na ng punto, ya guys. Pero ito sige lang, lain-lain lang sila sang system and lain-lain sila sang theory. Is amo ginaya. Alright? Theoretical sources, of course, Nightingale's belief that nursing's goal is to help individuals prevent or recover from disease or injury. Alright? Balik gyapon kay Nightingale. The science and art of nursing should focus on the patient as an individual and not on specific disease entity. So guys, ang science kagang art sang nursing guys, dapatigid ko nga ang nursing art na siya, of course. Should what? Should focus on the patient and individual, hindi lang sa sakit. Alright? Pagkita nyo, bisang pasyente, sakit na yun na panumdum nyo, hindi. Alright? Dapat ang whole individual, gid ni patient, ang aton nga focus. Alright? She stated that nurse should use the behavior system as their knowledge base. Alright, ano di ambalya? All the pattern, repetitive, purposeful ways of behaving that characterize each person's life make up an organized, integrated whole or a system. Ay, ari na ta, 7 subsystems of human behavior. Tandaan nyo ni guys. Okay, basi magwa. Yes, magwa. Alright, the ultimate goal for each subsystem is expected to be the same for all individuals. So, tanan lang siya. Alright, first is attachment or affiliative na siya. Attachment or affiliative. Attachment, probably the most critical because it forms the basis for all social organization. Attachment, ikaw blah, dasig ka matouch. Charot. Attachment, ano ni, provide survival and security. Its consequences are social inclusion, intimacy, information, and maintenance of a strong social bond. So, attachment siya. Need to connect with people, make friends, and feel love. Amo ning sa attachment. Ano na, nga, a need, gid. Need to connect with people, make friends, and feel love. That's why my attachment. Alright? Next is achievement. Achievement, ano, attempts to manipulate the environment with its function is control or mastery of an aspect of self or environment to some standard of excellence. Alright? Behaviors about setting goals, learning, and succeeding. Amo niyang sa achievement. These are your behaviors about setting goals, learning, and succeeding. Alright? Next is aggressive. Aggressive or protective na siya. Alright? Anong aggressive, guys? Behaviors. These are behaviors to protect yourself or defend against threats. Alright? Preservation, protection man gyapon. Protection and preservation, which holds that aggressive behavior is not only learned but has a primary intent to harm others. However, society has placed limits when dealing with self-protection, and that people with their properly be respected and protected. Alright? Next is dependence. Dependence promotes helping behavior that calls for a nurturing response. Its consequences are approval, attention, and recognition and physical assistance. Its consequences are approval, attention, recognition, and physical assistance. Ano na siya, guys? These are, amaning behavior, ano na siya? Need for help, attention, and support from others. So, imo dependence sa iban. Alright? Imo dependence sa iban. Dependency behavior develops from the complete reliance on others for certain resources essential for survival. So, complete reliance on others kay dependent ka gani, alright? Dependence, alright? An imbalance produces tension which results in disequilibrium, meaning hindi siya mag-balance. Kay imbalance produces tension. Next is sexual. Has dual functions of procreation and gratification that begins with the development of gender role identity. All right, and includes the broad range of sex role behaviors. Ano na siya? Behaviors about gender, relationships, and reproduction. That's your sexual. Next is ingestive. Of course, pagkaon, ingest. Oh, have to do with when, how, what, how much, and other what conditions we eat. Mm. Eliminative behaviors to removing waste lang, from habits. Alright? Eliminative have to do with when, how, what, how much, and the rest we eliminate. Alright, so tanan ni siya guys, dapat balance. Okay? Attachment, achievement, aggressive, dependent, sexual, ingestive, and eliminative. Of course guys, let's say be ingestive, hindi siya balance guys. Wala kagakaon, ano ang ginakaon, when ka makaon, wala. Syempre guys, baldado ni tanan. Alright? Balda ni tanan. Same man sa eliminative, wala ka biga pa muson, 'di ba? Oh, amo na. These responses are a set of behavior responses or tendencies that share a common goal developed through experience and learning are determined by numerous physical, biological, psychological, and social factors. Each subsystem has three functional requirements, guys. Each subsystem must be protected from noxious influences with which the system cannot cope. So, dapat tanan ni ng mga subsystem, guys, protected sa mga noxious influences or poisonous influences nga hindi makope sang system. Next, each subsystem must be nurtured through the input of appropriate supplies from the environment. And last, stimulated for use to enhance growth and prevent stagnation. Of course, tanan guys, nag-grow. So, hindi dapat ikaw maging stagnant lang. Alright, so dapat tanan, stimulated. Anong stimulated? Stimulated, bala, na dapat dumiga pahulag. Alright, may gahatag sang gana, nga mag-grow ka. And of course, mag-prevent sa stagnation. Hindi pwedeng nga liwat-liwat lang, naanad ka sa mga sang unang mga ulobrahon, subong obrahon mo Japon liwat, guys, hindi ka na mag-grow. That's why may stimulant dapat. Reading nakabutang. Alright? May stimulant dapat or may ma-push or may ara gid sitwasyon nga kung sa diin ikaw mag-grow. Sorry, dagyan ko ni. Nurtured through the input of appropriate supplies from the environment. Nurtured through the input of appropriate supplies from the environment. Meaning, alin man sa environment, guys. Okay? Nurtured through the input of appropriate supplies. Paano ko na siya? Anong example naman? Uh, hmm, wait, ngitaan ko. Nurtured, ba? May example ko pero hindi ko mambal kung ano. Of a pro mm, ang bako gid. Alright. Environment tama. A plant grows when it gets sunlight, water, and rays. Oh, sakto environment. Environment meaning ang environment mo ang gapalibot sa imo, ang environment mo ang naga-nurture sa imo through what? Through the input of appropriate supply. So for example, ang plant, okay? A plant grows when it gets sunlight. Alright? For example, pasyente. Ang pasyente, nagadasig siya ayo. Kung ang environment ya, naga-provide sang what? Medicine, food, alright? Mayo nga hangin, mayo nga pahuway, and of course, supportive people. Amo na siya gali. And yay, that's it.